Guys, here is another busy place here with a lot of business around. So this place is here at the Kicukiro Center here, and it is under this market. So if you didn't know about this corridor, it is a very busy place where they selling a lot of greens, vegetables. You can see it's a busy place. You can find anything here. I hope you are seeing. Look guys, this is the place I was telling you, Kicukiro market. So this is the place here. You can come from another street down, passing the shortcut there, then you meet the main street. This street here I'm gonna show you which street I am talking about. So this is Kicukiro, guys. This is now we are Centre or Kicukiro Center here. So this is the vibe, the evening vibe here. So the street was, what is going on here? Let me see. It's a football team. There are women. They're coming maybe from some match, football match. There are so many in blue and white. So this is the street I was telling you I come to meet here. So this is that main street going to Nyamata with the bridge there. I coming down there, so now I meet this street here. So I hope you have find a new place there, guys. You can come and shop some vegetables. There are so many stuffs. So guys, ciao. I hope that this small tour was interesting to know, because you can find some cheap things there. So keep it up, guys. Have a good time, and bye. Look. So let's go, guys. Let's be at home soon, and subscribing, guys, on my YouTube channel, supporting me really. So bye, guys. Peace. we meet again